My character's name is Pinky. I'm an aspiring actor. Pinky's an aspiring actor too. Osham he has a beautiful aesthetic. He's like a painter. Nawaz is such a brilliant actor. He is so good. I'm going to watch myself for the first time on the big screen at Cannes Film Festival. Hi, I'm Niharika Singh and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com.
डायरेक्टर है क्या?
हाँ डायरेक्टर हूँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल डायरेक्टर हूँ। तुम मेरी पिक्चर की स्टार हो, तुम्हारा टाइम शुरू हो चुका समझो।
The film is set in the mid-80s. It's about two brothers and they make these sex horror C-grade films.
चिल्लाती रही तो रोल कर।
My character's name is Pinky and how she comes in their life and how the story moves forward. When I got the script, I finished reading it in less than 2 hours. After I put it down, I had to take a moment and because I was trembling. It was that powerful. I was trembling. I mean, I don't know if it happens with you, but I mean, I'm somebody who reads a lot and who's interested in cinema. So when you watch something powerful or when you read something really intense, I mean, you kind of get consumed by it. So that's what happened with me and Lovely. I mean, when I read the script, I felt something so powerful that I knew had to be a part of this film. Osham had done so much of research on this film. He had spent years just understanding the space, understanding the characters, understanding what this business is about, and so he knew exactly what he was doing. I understood what he wanted to make. So somewhere, there was this sync between the director and the actor. I understood what he wanted, and I just sort of trusted his vision. And for me, because I loved the character of Pinky so much, I sort of understood who she was. So my job here was not to really understand the peripheries, not to understand the circumference, I mean, that was not important. That Osham had already done and he gave it to me on the platter, right? My job was to understand Pinky and to become Pinky. And I understood Pinky like this, because I'm an aspiring actor. Pinky's an aspiring actor too. I'm not saying I'm Pinky. I'm not I'm Niharika, but Pinky is, there is a Pinky in me. There is a part of her in me. So I sort of just made sure that part kind of came out and finally we could do something interesting on screen.
अपनी दोस्त से नहीं मिलवाएगा
पिंकी मेरे भाई विक्की।
It's more suggestive. It's not too much in the face. It's not like, okay, yes, because the space that the film is set in, obviously we're not making, a film where two flowers are going to come together. We're not making that. We're making a very honest, a very real film. There is a lot of honesty, even in the scenes, even, what happens between the characters. And Osham he has a beautiful aesthetic. He's like a painter, if I may say so. So he's an artist. When he's drawing something on his canvas, which is the celluloid, you know that it's going to be very beautiful. Nawaz is such a brilliant actor. He is so good. I think because he was so good, I had to somewhere match him so that the scene doesn't fall apart. So I grew as an actor just because he was with me in the same space. And Anil too, fabulous screen presence. When you watch the film, there's something in his face that you can't forget. So I think they were brilliant co-actors to work with. Maybe God wanted Miss Lovely to be my first film. I did a 10-film contract with him after Miss India. He never started the film and I just have the contract. I wasn't all calm and composed. I just cried. It was a very emotional moment for me. I waited for this for too long. I've always wanted to watch myself on the big screen. I've been an actor for so many years. I've never seen myself. Even now, I haven't seen myself on the big screen. I'm going to watch myself for the first time on the big screen at Cannes Film Festival. I'm writing a book. Yes. It's a memoir. This is not the first time I'm doing something related to film. I've been a model, I've been a Miss India, I've done ads, I've done films in a commercial space, I've done this interesting film. I've more or less covered everything that there is, in my profession. I'm yet to do great work. Obviously for me this is as good as it can get. Miss Lovely is my best work so far. But now for me to go back to doing something which I don't really believe in or which I don't really have that much respect for or something that I don't look up to, I don't know if I would want to do it just for the sake of money or just because I'm getting opportunities. I think I'm in a space right now where I'm so comfortable being where I am that unless something really stimulates me, something really, moves me. I don't think yeah, maybe somebody that makes me cry next to me. I don't know. I won't do it. I think I'm in that space right now. It has to really move me.